Hello children, how are you? How are you today? I am good, I am well. What about you? Hello kids, welcome to Savita Phawade Academy. This is our general knowledge, waves and currents, general knowledge for class 3rd CBC board. Kids, today we learn our second one chapter, lesson second, nature, light around me. Kids, here you can see few pictures. Here question, find the answer and match the pictures. You can see one side there is a words. For example, wind energy, rain water harvesting, greenhouse, solar energy, nursery school, farmland, and another side you can see pictures. So we match here. Then let's come. How we match? Yes kids, now you can see whole paper, whole lesson. Very good. Now first one, wind energy. Where we match? Here you can see fan, wind blowing, fan. This one we match. Next, rainwater harvesting. Where we match? First one A. Then third one, greenhouse. Where you can see greenhouse? Here E. So match here. Then fourth one, solar energy. Where you can sun? Yes, yes. This one is solar energy. Fifth one, nursery school. Where is teachers and where is kids? Here. Means B number. We match here nursery school. Then sixth number, farmland. Where we match? You can see here farmland, F number. We match here. Kids, now next 8 number page. Here you can see few more pictures and more words. Volcano. Where is you can see volcano? Here. 8 number pond. Where you can see pond? G number. Then 9 number cactus. Where is a cactus? J number. So we match here. Next 10th number camellia. This one H number. Next 11 number sunflower. Where is sunflower? Beautiful sunflower. L number. We match here. Then 12th number amphibian. Where is this one? We know this one, frog, amphibian. Kids, now B number, use the hint to name them. See here. Kids, textbook given here, few hints and they saying name them. Here you can see different sentence statement. First one, we enjoy and play on the sand along with the waves of water with friends and family. That one called beach, B-E-A-C-H. So fill here beach. Second number, it is the largest delta. It is famous for mangroves and sundari tree. That one Sundarbans, Sunderbans. So fill here Sundarbans. Third one, tiny sea creatures like corals, when they die and leave behind their skeletons, it becomes coral reef. CORALREEF. So fill here. Okay. Then fourth number, it is 88,049 meters in height and the highest mountain peak in the world. Which one? Mountain Everest. MT Everest. MT means Mountain Everest. Okay. So write down here Mountain Everest. Fifth one, here only fruits are grown. Orchard. ORCHARD. Right here. Then sixth one, A heavy wind with thunderstorm and it destroys many things. That one called cyclone. Cyclone. Then seventh one, when large land area gets no rainfall for many days and years, it causes drought. DROUGHT. Okay. Then eighth one, tea plants are grown on step like lands. It is known as terrace farming. Okay. Then on next page, 10th one page, there is two sentence. The things which can be decomposed naturally are known as biodegradable. biodegradable. Then 10th one, the only area in desert where water is found and plant can grow. Oasis. OASIS. Kids, I hope all of you enjoyed today's lecture and it's very useful for all of you. This one best informative GK lectures, nature, light around me. Thank you kids. Bye bye.